I think she and maybe Joni Mitchell are the only artists that I know of that play both equally well, it seems like. And we'll do some of their show on piano and some on guitar. I asked Rickie Lee Jones, why do you do that? And she gave me this sort of cryptic answer. She said, I tell better stories on piano. And I never quite knew what that meant, but it was fascinating. So it's a song I wrote for myself to play, so I made it really easy. And the lyrics had to be the lead on this one. It's called Listen to the Rain. Today I'm glad there is shelter from everywhere I have to go. Everyone I used to know, and every favor that I owe, today I'm gonna pour down the shade, lay in bed all day and listen to the rain. Oh, listen to Today I'm glad there is distance from everywhere I have to go, and everyone I used to know, and every favor that I owe. Today I'm gonna turn off all my phones, lay in bed all day and listen to the rain. Oh, listen to the rain. This time tomorrow I'll be listening to the bitter, bitter patter of the people moving closer to their destinations. Where do they go? Where do they go? And this time tomorrow I'll be miles away from here and now, and wondering how I'm gonna find the inspiration to carry me through, right back to you. But today I'll rest my brain, gonna lay in bed and listen